This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Make sure you have a working Apple ID with two-factor authentication and Windows 10 or 11 updated. Once ready, install iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store or Apple's installer because the store version auto-updates. After installation, open the iCloud app and sign in. You'll see toggles for iCloud Drive, Photos, and Mail. Turn on iCloud Drive and Photos now. This creates the iCloud Drive folder in File Explorer and start syncing files and images across devices. Once signed in, you configure what syncs and why it matters. Select specific folders or enable desktop and documents to mirror important files. For photos, enable iCloud Photos plus uploads and shared albums so new images flow to your PC automatically. If you use Outlook, agree to link Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. This lets iCloud push events and contacts into Outlook, avoiding duplicate entries. Make sure storage is adequate and that automatic updates are allowed, because syncing large libraries requires stable bandwidth and disk space. To finish, confirm sync. Open File Explorer and inspect the iCloud Drive folder. Status icons show upload or download progress. Then open Photos or iCloud. To validate images and documents arrived. Sign out and back in if items don't appear. That forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting step is to update the iCloud app in Windows, then restart the iCloud service or your PC. Make sure firewall and antivirus allow iCloud traffic, because blocked ports often cause sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.